एक ऐसी सोच से बना है जो टैलेंट को सिर्फ दिखाता नहीं है, उसे आगे बढ़ने का मौका देता है. Tonight we will hear different religions, different cultures, different voices, and different languages. The journey that started digitally across the nation finds its voice here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving ahead for the next segment. We have now reached a moment that transcends a mere introduction. We are about to welcome the heartbeat of a modern Indian music, a trio, a maestros, a leaders who have given India and everyone so much. A trio that didn't just change the sound of cinema. They redefined the soul of it. With a legacy spanning over 3 decades, they have given us the anthems of our youths, the melodies of our heartbreaks and the rhythms of our celebrations, from Breathless, that redefined how we hear voice, to Mitwa, that made every heart felt a little more. And then Watan, that filled every heart with a pride and an emotion. Senorita, that brought rhythm, friendship, and pure joy together. Today, the legends behind these timeless melodies are here, ताकि वो विटनेस करे कैसे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपनी खुद की कहानी लिखने वाली है. Please welcome none other than our dignitaries, our maestros, our leaders, Mr. Shankar Mahadevan. Please put your hands together for none other than Mr. Shankar Mahadevan. सर के लिए प्लीज जोरदार तालियां सीटियां होनी चाहिए. With sir, I would request our next leader, Mr. Ehsan Nurani. Please, उनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, everybody. And next in the lineup, our very special leader, Mr. Loy Mendoza. जोरदार तालियां सीटियों से स्वागत होना चाहिए, everybody. Fantastic. As we have all the maestros, all 3 leaders here with us, it gives us immense pleasure to have you here on stage. Please, सारे dignitaries के लिए फिर से एक बार सीटियां तालियां जोरदार बजनी चाहिए. Come on. Fantastic.
अरे कुछ तालियां हमारे contestants के लिए भी reserve रखो. हमारे लिए तो ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Indeed, sir. Well, without any further ado, we'll have a quick chat with all our leaders. Sir, I wanted to ask you a few questions. Audience wants to know, even contestants wants to know, what is the X factor you're looking forward in a contestant?
हर contestant में एक X factor होता है, and I think हर contestant में communication possibility होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर जब खड़े हैं, तो audience को अपने दिल में उतरना is the biggest quality.
True, sir. True, sir. Would you like to speak on the same?
Well, absolutely the same kind of thing. The point is that you have to react emotionally to a voice. And जैसे हम सुनते हैं कि आपकी voice की quality कैसी है, कि आप, do you have a different kind of voice? That is always a very big point to score on. But it's fun, and I'm looking forward to hearing all of you all tonight.
You, sir?
A lot of heart, a lot of emotion. That's very important as part of the process.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, one more question. What is the criteria you're looking forward for the winner?
A voice that stays in your heart, a voice that connects with the audience, and जब आप एक गाना नया गाना सुने, तो उस सिंगर की याद आए, जिसकी आवाज़ आप सुन के लगा कि अरे ये तो नई आवाज़ है. A voice that has got an identity of its own. That's what we look for.
True, sir.
Yeah, that's very important to have an identity. Very important to also the technicalities of singing. Where you sing well, you perform well. All these things are very important.
True, sir. Yes.
Strong character in the voice. It has to have a very definitive identity. Very important. Because that puts you in a very special spot compared to being generic. To find your...
Perfect one. Indeed, sir. Certainly. One last question. What is that one final piece of advice you'd like to give to the all 11 top contestants?
Well, I mean, उनको चुने हमने ही हैं, तो हम जानते हैं उनका capability क्या है. They're all fabulous musicians, और सबसे बड़ी बात है, each one of them गुणी कलाकार हैं. They've got depth in their music, they've got aesthetics, और मतलब सीखे हुए हैं. So वो ऐसे उड़ते हुए गाने नहीं गाते हैं. They know what they're doing. So we're very happy that a set of very, very talented 11 singers are there as part of Dhuniverse, Bajaj Dhuniverse. So give them a loud round of applause. Ab bajaiye SDT.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. It was great to see you here with us on dais. I would request you all to please kindly
हम
proceed.
अपने
ahead with the
सिंहासन में
judges.
जाएं.
Nice, kind request. Yes, sir. Yes, please. सारे leaders के लिए please जोरदार तालियां once again, everybody. Well, as we are proceeding ahead, over 64,000 plus unique voices and sounds representing constants from every corner of India, each bringing their own vibrant culture, religion, and musical genre. These artists put their faith in their talent and stepped onto the stage of Bajaj Dhuniverse. After rigorous digital selection progress, the competition came down to the top 100. We have finally arrived at elite top 10 lineup, but that's not at all done. We also have one special wildcard entry handpicked by you, by our digital audience. And now let's talk about what is at stake tonight. We aren't just crowning a winner, we are launching a legacy. The winner of Bajaj Dhuniverse doesn't just walk away with a title. They're walking straight into the recording studio for a dream collaboration and recording the official Bajaj anthem alongside legendary Shankar sir, Ehsan sir, and Loy sir. But wait, the explosion doesn't stop here. They will also land an exclusive music album with Z Music Company. This isn't just a trophy, ladies and gentlemen, this is the golden ticket to superstardom. Please, एक बार Z के लिए and Bajaj के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. And now, to begin this incredible evening of music, may I please request our contestant to kindly line up. Also, everybody, all the family members, please take your respective seats as you're proceeding ahead for the performance super soon. The stage is all set. I hope all the contestants who have been planning since months, they're all set for the performance. The stage is set, the instruments are tuned, the judges are ready,